In this video, I will show you how to edit your social media templates on Canva and how to post it on Instagram. First, if you haven't already, go to the Suburbs 101 membership portal to access the templates. Click Edit Template. Choose the template you want to edit. Let's say you want to edit this post. You want to change it to Tuesday motivational quote. Simply type and change the wording. If you want to change the color, scroll through the bottom menu and find the Color tab. Click on it and select the color you want to change it to. If you want to change the background photo, click on the photo and delete it. Then click on the purple plus sign of the lower left and on the bottom menu, click on Elements. In the search box, type in a description of the photo you are looking for. Click on Photos. If you are on a free Canva account, you will want to filter it so you only get the free photos. You can filter by clicking on the upper right filter button. Then scroll down to Price and click on Free. Click Done. Choose the photo you want. Then use your fingers to expand it to the right size. You will see that it's now covering the words. You can move it so the words are in front by using the bottom menu and click on Position. Click backwards a few times until it looks right. Let's say you're done editing your post. You are now ready to download and post it on Instagram. To do this, click Download on the upper right-hand corner. Click Download and choose JPEG as the file type. Your Instagram post will be saved to the camera roll on your phone. Now we're ready to post it on Instagram. To do this, go to your Instagram account and click on the plus sign. Click on the image you are posting. Now we're ready for captions. Go back to your content calendar on Google Doc. If you don't know how to access the content calendar on Google Doc, watch part 1 of this video tutorial. Find the caption, select the text including the hashtags and make a copy. Then paste the caption to your Instagram. Edit the caption to customize it. In our case, we will change the wording to Tuesday. We will also change the hashtag so it's not Monday motivation. Now you're ready to post. Isn't it so easy? No more struggling trying to figure out what to post. Just use our pre-made templates and pre-written captions and hashtags.